Hey, it is Jen Eden here. I am back on my YouTube channel. It's your choice to listen or not, but this is a really good one today. This is all about navigating the office treats. Yes, that come in during the holidays. I know the Harry and David, I used to work at those places. I don't know why no one ever sends the fruit basket, but it's always the chocolate, the cookies. The clients are so kind. Sometimes they used to send a bottle of wine, right? Really, really sweet. And so I want to talk about that. And I always just say, for those who've been following me for years, if you love my stuff, there's a button, hit me up, subscribe. I would love to have you in my community. Okay, so what's going on with those snacks? I'm gonna tell you now, we typically want that stuff 10 in the morning when we're dealing with, oh gosh, early morning stuff. And then we always want it, I know, after lunch. Listen, this may seem super simple, but everything I teach is simple, fun, and easy, or it's not sustainable and you don't do it. So how about, wait for this, it actually works. You take a quick break and a pause before grabbing the Harry and David chocolate. Oh my God, the fancy cookies. Grabbing whatever you see in the kitchen when really you just need a friggin' break. Walk away from your computer, drink a glass of water. You need a break. You don't need cookies, chocolate, donuts. Oh my God, they used to order all this stuff for us, and our clients were so generous at the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation. We loved all the people that would just be there with us, and they would send us all this stuff, and Jen Eden back in the day would be eating it, feeling like garbage the next day and angry. And so I don't want that for you, especially because we're not even like burning it off. We're going back to our desk job, yeah? And so number one, could you please just like take a break, take a pause, walk away, drink a glass of water. That does help. And number two, sometimes we just need a break. You need to get out. Get out. I used to do it. I would take a quick break. People would have their smoking breaks. I didn't smoke, but I would like just take 5 minutes, walk around the office. We had a multi-floor office. We just take a break, stretch my legs, stretch my arms. Seriously, I would do wall squats. Now you know my true stories. Like in the bathroom, like just get some circulation going. A lot of times that alone will take the cravings out. And listen, I can't tell you to change your job, but if you're miserable at your job, there's no way anything I could ever say today, okay, in this little mini lesson that's gonna help you not wanna eat or consume sugar, okay, that gives you a dopamine hit and makes you feel better about your life. So if that's you, reconsider your career if you know that you're just downright miserable there and that you know that that's an impulse because you're just saying, fuck it in that moment. Fuck it, I don't even enjoy it here. So I can't help with that. But I can get you to take a break, take a pause. I can get you to walk around. And can I just say, worst case scenario, we're tired after lunch. We get tired. The body gets tired from working, being at a desk, staring at a screen. That's not what our bodies were meant for. So I want to just tell you, eat a piece of fruit. People say, oh my God, does fruit make you fat? No. Yes, there's fructose, but it's natural sugar. It's got fiber in the fruit, vitamins and minerals, and anything's better than the processed junk. So even if for the holidays you replaced that sugar high with a fruit high, dude, I'm game. It's not processed and it's giving you a similar hit. So if that's you, go enjoy the gifts that people bring, preferably the non-sugary crap. Try my tools and tips. And let me know how it goes, because I'm going to tell you now, taking those pauses, getting out, did some wall squats, reconsidered your career. I know that's a big one. Or eating a piece of fruit to replace that hit we want. It's going to change your holiday season. And it's going to change your waistline. So take that into account. Have an amazing day. And as always, I'll talk to you soon.